Ow! This is why I'm so happy to have you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back with Stuff with Tim and Cody. Today, the boys invited us over because they have a recipe they'd like us to try. So we decided to turn it into a game.
I don't know.
Thanks, man. Okay, so as you can see, Tim and Cody have been drinking all day, and they are half lit. So let's get started.
Here we fucking go. Yeah, front pep, fucking coochie. Alright, you need fucking spray or something. You don't have spray, bro.
Yes, I do.
I'm gonna get it.
Second, don't want cinnamon poisoning.
Alright, so what kind of spice you want in this there, bite?
Well, we're gonna start off with the pink,
The Himalayan pink salt?
yeah.
Tag that.
And some, peppercorn. Thank you. Oh, yes.
Alright, so skiddly D, we gotta throw this in the fucking oven.
We have a delight for you today. I don't really know what it is, because I don't know.
Where is it?
Oh, shit.
You fucking idiot. You forgot how to freeze them.
No, definitely not frozen.
Alright, gentlemen, so what are you planning to make us for an appetizer? I came from right over there.
Well, we're making you a specialty from where we come from. I can pull up a picture if you'd like.
No, just describe it to me.
Well, basically what it is like,
You have
a car.
You have a bun, okay?
And
So we have a bun and a car.
Yeah, like a mobility bun.
A mobility
That's
bun.
what we're calling this appetizer, a mobility bun.
Okay. So we have a mobility bun coming along.
Yes.
Slash Wiener Express.
/ Wiener Express.
Dude, this comes from like the deepest parts of France, you know?
This comes from the deepest parts of France.
The deepest.
The deepest.
The catacombs?
Yes.
Deeper.
Yes. This is the food that they won't eat down there.
That would be because the catacombs are filled with dead people.
Exactly.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Fair enough.
So as far as we're concerned, today the menu is chicken of the southernmost France variety.
No, that's not chicken.
No,
It's the immobility fucking, what did I call it?
immobility buns.
Mobility buns.
The mobility buns are from the
Mobility
southernmost
bun.
part of France.
The mobility buns go with the chicken, or no?
No. Yes, the finest
wait.
hot dog pot.
How many mobility buns are we making?
There's
two.
Two?
people
Oh,
eating.
okay. Select your bun. We have the finest buns, and we would like to invite Randy and David to select their custom buns.
So,
I personally like the thickums. So pick a thickum.
this,
Ooh. That's an excellent choice, Randy.
excellent.
Beautiful.
I'll take this one.
Oh, which buns did they choose?
This was David.
No, that's
Randy.
Randall and
This
this
is
is
David.
okay. The rest of these buns are garbage.
Alright, and also, at the moment we are boiling some elongated meats. You know, the finest. Ooh, that water's fucking hot. Elongated meats. There might be some water damage.
Each of you, Randy and David, are gonna pick a knife for one of your warriors. Everything.
I have a better idea.
Oh, dude, I can make do with skizzers. Alright.
Anything in this kitchen. It doesn't even have to be a utensil. Perfect.
Knife sharpener.
Perfect. If you didn't know.
Oh my fucking toe!
If you didn't know. This piece of equipment right here.
Just on the floor.
Okay, wait.
Well, fucking skiddly D right into this. I'm actually pretty happy with it.
Oh man, I'm jealous.
Done the cutting phase. Almost broke your fucking tongue. Wow. It's rare you can see such a master craftsman at work. Well, that actually worked out a lot better than I thought it would, I'm not gonna lie.
Cody, you want to give us a description of what the word upholstery means?
It means lettuce.
Oh yeah, the inside of the mobility bun.
Yeah, dude.
Man,
So, oh fuck.
this is gonna be the upholstery, the interior, if you will, of the mobility bun.
Mobility bun. Alright, so we have the interiors done, like the upholstery. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? You heard that? Hold on a minute. Where'd it go? Where did he put them? Oh, right there. Fuck. What's your eyes? Oh,
Where'd they go?
shit, me eyes. Oh yes, the passengers are ready.
No, wait, stop.
Well, they're ready regardless, so. Come here, bud. Oh, you flimsy. That hurts a lot. Oh shit, my tip!
Okay, wait. Wait.
Got you a dingly dangler.
Oh, beautiful performance.
It's hot. Ah, what? Start speaking. Wait, hide it.
That's so genuine.
Now all it needs is passengers.
It's not working.
Snip.
Oh, there's a plastic on it. Just doing a little something.
What kind of condiments do you like on your mobility? Tell me.
Where do the condiments go?
That's not important. I just need to know your preferences.
I like a good.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'm kind of a mustard guy.
You're a mustard guy?
Yeah.
Excuse me,
You're
sir.
excused.
You're a mustard guy, you said?
Yes, I am.
Oh, ain't that too fucking bad?
The mustard don't come with this bubble. I'm gonna still put mustard on it though. With this. It is what it is, you know?
Says David is a tall motherfucker.
How much of a mustard?
I'm gonna put a fucking. David's tall. He'll understand the struggle of being in a small car. Yeah, the dingly dangle. You ever seen David hang out of his sunroof? This is that. So David,
Now it's the decorating phase.
is smoky chipotle sauce.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, good because it wasn't a choice.
That's okay.
So how are we doing this? Oh yeah, good idea. Oh,
This guy's a Cyclops, by the way. Oh, this one too.
oh no, this guy's. I guess that's a unibrow. Oh, that hot dog's fucking hot, dude. Ow, fuck. My fucking wheels actually turned. Oh, tie rod, let go on that one. Oh.
All right, so David, are you ready to try?
I guess.
Gentlemen, bring us our mobility.
Our mobility scooters?
Mobility buns? All right, David, before we dig in, on our first note here, we have presentation.
So I'll give it like a 3.
That's a 3 for Tim.
That's a 3
on
for
presentation.
Tim. On presentation.
You know, I'll have to say, I'm gonna give Cody a solid 4. Bit hard on the mustard, but that's great.
Next up we have smell. So how does it smell? The aromas. Ignoring the aromas of the outside. Well, it smells like what it is. There's mustard on it.
I'm not gonna lie, David, it smells a lot like mustard. I do like the smell of mustard. It reminds me of sandwiches. You know, but that's the only smell I'm getting, so I'm gonna give it a 3.
A 3 for Cody.
Yes.
Mine just smells a lot like hot dog and bread. So I'm gonna give it a 2. I'm sorry, Tim, but. And next up we have temperature. That's one way to judge.
I'm gonna have to give a 1 for temperature.
A 1 for temperature? I'll give it a 2. 2 for temperature, Tim.
Fuck yeah.
Is it accurate to what a mobility bun really is?
You know what, David? I am not gonna lie. They said this bun was gonna be mobile. And it's mobile. I got one locked up brake in the back, but I think that's just
Honestly,
because it's been
mine
sitting too long.
rolls
My
really
body
well.
fuck, it's great.
Oh, well,
Oh,
I just
shit.
lost the wheel, but other than that,
I
I'm gonna
think it
give
deserves
five.
a 5.
I'm
They deserve a
5 on
5.
both.
Good on you, boys.
Bye, bud.
The vibe check.
The vibe check.
You know what, boys? David, I don't know if you're feeling me.
vibe.
It's a solid vibe.
Yeah, I'm gonna
It
do that.
slaps. It's another 5,
That's
David. It's another 5.
Can I take the wood out?
Hey, you do what you will, bud.
I'm gonna eat a wheel first.
Wheels are somewhat organic.
Tastes like cucumber.
Mazel or whatever people
Yeah,
say.
mazel tov. Salud.
Ooh.
Oops. I'll just
Bon appetit. There's a lot of mustard. It's a lot of bread, I'm not gonna lie.
It's a lot of bread. For flavor, I'd have to say for mine is like a 3. It's a lot of bread.
It's a lot of bread, but I'm gonna go solid 3 as well.
Yeah. So how about mouthfeel? It honestly just tastes like I didn't have any hot dog buns. I'm into it. I'll give it a 4.
Wow.
That's good. But I also
I'm gonna
like
have to
that
give it a
food.
3.
So now I got user digestion. Did it go well? Can you swallow it?
I swallowed it.
I had more, so yeah, I'm gonna give that like a 5. It went down easy. There's nothing wrong with it.
I would have chosen different bread.
Different bread. User digestion.
Ease of digestion. We're gonna give it a 5 because bread's pretty okay to digest and a hot dog or two ain't gonna hurt you. Are you boys ready for the verdict?
They dilly-daddled the numbers. 30 points. It's 30 out
A
of
time
20.
for 30 points.
Fucking A.
Congratulations.
60 out of 80. Now, does anybody want to eat the rest of this? 'Cause I'm
Absolutely.
not.
Fucking I would eat that in a heartbeat.
It's not bad, but it's not great. You know, like it's just bread. You know. I'll finish it. I'll get
I like the head of that wiener.
the sausage.
Thank you guys for watching. Drink responsibly. Do not drink and drive and all that good stuff, and be of age.
And salute.